Hello dear viewers. Actually some people asking me how I made this device for washing hands out of the drinking bottle. And actually I have this Primus bottle. You see it has two openings, one for filter, the big one, and it has also one for the just drinking, and this is actually the small one, and this cup exactly fits the cup which is usually plastic bottles in shop for different kind of drinks like Coca-Cola or something, and actually it's the same. And what actually I did, because I had this one from the beginning, it's actually originally produced, this one I bought many years ago in Russia, you see, and actually I had bought two, and one of them I redo. Actually I added here a cup from the Coca-Cola, you know, and this actually fits all other kind of bottles from different drinks. And then I drill here a hole and glue it with two component glue, so it's very hard here. So it's possible to use basically with two kind of bottles, with big 5-liter bottles. If, I don't know, you're traveling by car and you can just take this bottle in a shop and then you can screw it and use it for washing something, this water. Or it's possible also to use with small plastic bottles like Coca-Cola bottles, and actually also it fits to this one as well. So what I'm doing, actually I screw it in here and then I can use it for washing. So, and here I put in through the towel, and then it's like very easy to use. And also if I need to hang it, I would just put rope around, and this anybody can do. So, but that's very easy when you have this one bought in the shop. Maybe it's possible to buy it somewhere, but I don't know what kind of shops really selling it now. But it's a lot of videos on YouTube which is actually people do some kind of alternatives of that. So, and maybe in some way it's possible to do it yourself. But I'm just telling about how mine look like, and that's how it is. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.